If you want to play rock, paper, scissors on the Glyph Matrix or Glyph display on a Nothing Phone 3, first of all, we need to open settings. Over here, we're gonna go to Glyph interface. We need to scroll down a little bit and open Glyph toys. Then we need to tap on this icon that we have in the top right corner with these 3 lines and arrows. And then we need to add the rock, paper, scissors game. So we need to press on this plus button in order to add it to the list of active toys. Once we have rock, paper, scissors over here, we can go back and you can, for example, find it over here. So if you tap on rock, paper, scissors icon here, you can just immediately show it on the back, on the matrix. But also, if you want to activate it at any point without having to go to the settings, you can just keep pressing on this circle button until you see rock, paper, scissors, and then press and hold in order to play. And it's a draw. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.